I don't even know what day we're on anymore, but we are on a morning day and we're headed over to the Museum of Natural History, the 9/11 Museum and Memorial, and then later we're going to the Edge. So it's going to be a packed day. Here's the fit for today. Loving it, and it's been a good one so far. So I'll catch up with you guys when we are on the way over to the museum. So talk to you then. So we're eating our breakfast bagels and coffee. Freaking good. It's literally right next door around this corner here, and they have really, really good bagels. Like phenomenal, actually. They're amazing. One of the best bagels I've probably ever had in my life. I got a jalapeno bun. You just got a regular one. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys when we get back to the museum because our time was at 11:30. We're running a little behind, so we may have some flexibility on that. Yeah, we'll see when we get there, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll talk to you later. Oh my God. Made it to the Museum of Natural History. This place is ginormous. Insane. Uno's Pizzeria and Grill. So we're chilling, waiting for our food. We got some drinks, of course, to numb the pain of anything that we're feeling today. And then Zoe grabbed my pineapple off. There was a pineapple right here on my drink, and she grabbed it before I could take a beautiful picture of my drink, of course. And our waiter saw that, and he literally brought her this. I don't know, like he was like, that's Winky, beautiful, and then left, and then the look fact that he like put effort into that to make it look pretty too. Anyways, we're drinking. Oh, he made him strong. So good. Well, we were at the museum. I got these little pins at the gift shop. Came in a pack. So now I really look like a tourist. And then this was the fit for today, in case you guys didn't see. It's been a good day so far, I think. The museum was freaking incredible. So many things that I never even thought would be in there. A lot of the things that I saw in there were based off of the movie Night at the Museum. Or I should say the movie is based off of this museum. Night at the Museum, with all of the things come to life at night because of the ancient tablet thing. Of course, the museum didn't actually have that there. But it was so really cool to see. So I'm excited to head on and do the memorial Memorial later and Macy's, etc. It'll be great. We're gonna have a good day. I'm looking forward to it.
Same thing though. I mean, I thought it would be just packed. Nuh-uh.
We're on our first subway ride ever. It's pretty intense. You gotta move fast here. I bought the wrong Metro card, so the lady had to help us get a different one.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
We're currently at the Edge, about to go up to 100 floors. Holy shit, guys. Look. Guys, we are currently on the subway, so I apologize if you have a hard time hearing me, but we are on our way to our Central Park walking tour. We're running a little late because I'm an idiot and we went on the wrong train, but what, Mom? It's all part of the adventure. Part of the adventure. Park walking tour is over. We are now headed to our Circle Line Sightseeing Cruise for the day, and then we're going to go shopping. Yeah, my feet hurt. I wore these boots, and we walked damn near 5 miles, so my feet are a little sore, but it was worth it because I looked adorable the whole time. Yay! Anywho, so I will talk to you guys when we're on the cruise, and see you then. We got a ticket. Here's the boat we'll be taking. Forgot to take my Zoloft pill before last night, so I'm a little cranky now. I just took it again, but I'm in a mood, let me tell you. But I'm hoping that as soon as we get on the cruise and everything's good to go, I'll feel better, it'll be good, and be a good day. So let's rock and roll, and I'll talk to you guys when we get on the cruise.
limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you.
It's great. How do you like the tour?
Absolutely love it.
We have food. The boats on the drink were a little bit strong. The boats on the drink were a little bit strong. And have another drink later. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye.